Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2015 Ram 1500 and I will show you how to jump start the battery. This video will apply to fourth generation of these trucks made from 2009 all the way up to 2018. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now I will boost the battery using this small jump starter. You can use either something like this or a big booster pack, or you can use the booster cables. The process will be completely the same and I will just use this to demonstrate what has to be done. Okay, so first you want to remove this cover from the battery terminal, and once that is done, all you have to do, you have to connect the cables to the terminals. Now, one very important thing, you always have to be careful to connect red cable to positive battery terminal and black cable to negative battery terminal. If you do mistake here, you can do lots of damage to the vehicle, so be very careful about that. Now most of the batteries will be marked with plus and the minus, and also now on this one it has this cover on top of it, so I can't really see, but yeah, it's here. Okay, not sure if you can see it. It's quite sunny. Here is like a small plus, and on the other side there should be like a small minus somewhere, hidden probably. I think it's down there. But also cables on a vehicle will also be marked, like you can see. These ones are red, so this is the positive, and the other ones are black, that's the negative. So that's the most important thing. And now to connect the cables, that's pretty straightforward. You connect the red to red, positive to positive, and black to black or negative to negative. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so I'm all over the place, but this is the idea. Now in my case I just have to press this button here on the side and I can proceed inside the vehicle and try to start it. If you're using the booster pack, you will do the same thing, just connect positive to positive, negative to negative. If you're using the cables, one side of the cables you will connect exactly like this, and then the other side you will connect to the other vehicle. So you will connect the other side of the red cable to the positive battery terminal on the other vehicle, and the other side of the black cable to negative battery terminal on the other vehicle, and then you will start the other vehicle, and after that you will try to start your own. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.